fallow week last week. Did you fallow well, gents?
I think we followed well.
Very well, I think.
I mean, I do apologise to you. We were roomies.
Okay.
And I did a bit of snoring on our first night, which is not
snoring.
a good start to a fresh roomie.
Yeah.
But I got better.
After we got over that hurdle, it was fine.
Plain sailing.
Yeah, it was good.
Did you like lob a pillow at him? Did you punch him? What did you do?
I actually didn't touch him. I was like, he looks so peaceful. I'm just going to leave him and go on my phone.
What a nice guy.
Well,
I mean, I was surprised. I was expecting a few elbows.
Yeah.
But,
Wouldn't do that
thank
to
you.
you,
But thank you. Yeah.
Chandler, what a lovely guy. Still single? I hear?
Still single.
Okay,
Still single.
well, maybe. You never know.
Maybe she's out there.
Yeah, hashtag wear the rose.